Fallon. I'm here again to do another very quick wig review with you. Now, this wee gorgeous bad boy that I am wearing, this is Fallon from Estetica Designs, and she is just absolutely stunning. Brand new for December 2024, and I just love her. So the shade that I'm wearing is Chrome RT1B, which is this gorgeous silvery shade with a very dark off black 1B root. I adore this shade. This is one of my favourites, and I love a very dark root on my wigs because I just do. It's just amazing. So she's a gorgeous wig. We do have a lace front on her here, so you can have some off the face styling, tie it up, play around with her, do whatever you kind of want, and it will look very natural, as though those hairs are just growing out your very own head with that lace front. Now, whether you like your hair left, right, centre, parted, we do have this gorgeous single mono top, so you can part that hair anywhere that you kind of like. The sides and back are open wefted, and you can adjust the nape. It's the kind of clip fasteners that we have there, so it's just absolutely stunning, and I really love this style. So let's talk a wee bit about the lengths with Fallon. So the lengths at the front, we have 10.5 inches at the front. From the side, we have 9.5 inches length of the hair. The crown is 12 inches here, and at the nape we have 5.5 inches of length. Now I'll do a turn around and let you see how she kind of sits. Where she falls on you, the best thing to do is get a measuring tape, and you can see where each of those lengths will sit. It will be different depending on your kind of proportions and the rest. So let me do a wee turn around and let you see from the side and the back. So yeah, this is Fallon from Estetica Designs. She's absolutely stunning, and I totally love her. She is so beautiful. I love that monofilament top, that lace front, and it's just such a beautiful styled wig. It is an average size of cap. I have a petite head. I've tightened her right on up. I may make adjustments, I may not, but she's just beautiful, and you don't have permatease or anything like that that's going to be frustrating or getting in your way or looking really big on your head. So I know that's something that a lot of people are very concerned about. So yeah guys, this is Fallon from Estetica Designs. She's really beautiful, brand new for December 2024, and thank you Estetica Designs for your amazing new styles, and thank you so much for sending these out so that I could kind of see them early and get a wig review done for you guys and let people kind of see the wigs and see what I think. I do love all 4 of these new styles that Estetica Designs have launched. So whether you love a pixie, whether you love like a bob, something a wee bit longer, mid-length, or whether you just love something beachy, they have 4 new styles for you guys. So have a wee look at the new styles. They've all been reviews. I've got them all here for you guys on YouTube that you can watch them. They're really beautiful. So take care guys, keep sparkling, be real beautiful, and I will be back again very soon with more wig reviews. But for now, I'm going to head off and see you all soon. Mwah.